I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Kia Sportage backseat. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Wear gloves and eye protection, and disconnect the negative battery terminal if your model has seat sensors or airbags. Clear the rear area of cargo and fold down the back seats to expose mounting bolts and fasteners. Keep a magnetic tray for bolts and label fasteners for easier reinstallation later. Start with the seat cushion by finding the release tabs at the front edge of the seat and pulling them evenly. Remove any visible bolts with a snug-fitting socket and place them in a labeled container. Once bolts are removed, lift the cushion straight up to free the rear clips, taking care not to force it or bend metal brackets. Keep the cushion nearby to prevent dirt and make reinstallation smoother. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful content. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading repair manuals and part diagrams anywhere, and it fits easily in a glove box or toolbox. It's a simple way to keep instructions handy while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. With the cushion out, fold the seat back forward and identify hinge bolts at the base. Remove the hinge bolts using a socket and carefully unplug any electrical connectors for seat heaters or occupancy sensors before fully detaching the back. Support the seat back as you remove the last fasteners, then tilt and lift it out of the vehicle while avoiding trim panels and seatbelt anchors. Store the seat back upright to prevent warping or stains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.